In primetime news this evening, still counting. Official election results trickle in from the EOJ. We have the latest. Government minister and opposition MP candidate facing backlash for controversial local government utterances. And runners. Political party workers share dangers and joys of their election day job.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com and also on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also here with us is Javon Keys with a preview of what's to come in the business news. Javon?
Well, Janella, there is a thrust to have more investment in the real estate industry, and that's why a conference is going to be held in April. I have those details as well as the latest gas prices in the business day.
Okay, and Jermaine Brown is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jermaine.
Thank you, Herman. Well, speaking of runners, can you imagine a World Athletics Championships every year? Well, we'll tell you how, we'll tell you when and why. A bit later on.
I have nothing to say about running, so I'm just going to throw to Romain, who's here with a preview of the weather report and forecast. Romain?
A little bit more rainfall is expected across the area on Friday. We do have some showers that could affect sections of the west in the afternoon, but otherwise we're expecting partly cloudy to generally sunny conditions across most of the island.
All right, thanks, Romain. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
Yeah, this evening we're asking what are your thoughts on how the results of the local government election are delivered.
Now you can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.